evidence of what? That chromosome is doing the inheritance property. Children, up to this clear? Any doubt in that? Any doubt? Okay, so let's learn that number of that is organism and the number of chromosomes. So the number of chromosomes is what? Definite in organisms. Definite in organism. Let's learn some of the examples for that. Okay, so here organisms and number of chromosomes. Add term 4,262 and second species (216 chromosome) and gained sequoia. So this will be having 22 chromosome. And next one, Arabidopsis. Arabidopsis will be having 10 chromosome. And sugarcane will be having 80 chromosome. Then apple will be having 34 chromosome. Then rice will be having 24 chromosomes. Potato will be having 48 chromosomes. Then maize is having 20 chromosome. Then onion will be having 16 chromosome. Haplopapus gracilis. This will be having 4 chromosomes. So up to this clear, children? So what it is? The number of chromosomes is definite in each and every organisms. As a human being, we will be having 23 pairs of chromosomes. 23 pairs of chromosomes. So here it is mentioned in the form of 2n. What is 2n? So single n is called as haploid. Single n is called as haploid, and this is called as diploid. What it is said to be? Diploid. So first example is other tongue fern. Other tongue fern will be having diploid, that is 1,262 numbers of chromosome, and sequestrum will be having 260 chromosomes, gained sequoia will be having 22 chromosomes, and Arabidopsis will be having 10 chromosomes in number, and sugarcane will be having 80 chromosomes, apple will be having 34 chromosomes, rice will be having 24 chromosomes, potato will be having 48 chromosomes, and maize will be having 20 chromosomes, onion will be having 16 chromosomes, and Haplopapus gracilis. So this will be having 4 chromosomes. So this is very important. One more question. So 1 mark they will be asking from this tabular column. So go through and try to practice at home. Next we are going to learn about linkage. Next we are going to learn about linkage. What is meant by linkage? What is meant by linkage? If two alleles or two genes are very close to each other, they are very difficult to separate. Very difficult to separate from each other. Both are inherit together to the next gamete. Both genes are inherit towards the next progeny. So that is called as what? Linkage. That close connections between two alleles. For example, located here, capital A, and B, capital B here, and here if it is located here and here, and A here and B. Here if it is located A and B, so nearby. So here now the distance between the two genes is very far. So far distance. So far distance means the linkage is less. So here 100% crossing over will takes place. 100% crossing over will takes place. Here you can find the distance is lesser when compared with the previous one. So here the crossing over is 50% possibility of crossing over. And here also it is not too nearby. There is some distance between two genes. So here 20 to 25% of crossing over takes place. But here it is two genes are closely related to each other. So they never allow, they having a lot of linkage between, what it is that lot bond cannot be break out. So such a gene is called as linkage gene. So this linkage gene is never allowed to do the crossing over. So here the crossing over is 0%. So if this linked gene is located in sex chromosome, what is called as sex chromosome? One is X chromosome, or it is X chromosome, or Y is said to be sex chromosome. So if this linkage gene is present in the X chromosome, then it is said to be sex linkage. Understood, children? So this linkage, if it is present in the sex chromosome, then it is said to be sex linkage. What it is said to be? Sex linkage. So first one, linkage is nothing but if two genes are very close to each other, then their bond will be so more, so they cannot separate it from each other. So that is called as linkage. So if it is too far, the gene if it is too far, 100% of crossing over takes place, possibility for crossing over. If it is like this, 50% of crossing over takes place. If it is like this, it is 25% of crossing over takes place. If it is very close, it is called as linkage. This linkage gene is located in X chromosome, then it is called as sex linkage. What is linkage? Certain two characters of species is linked to each other. For example, that wing size and the color of the eye, or body color with some other. So like that, two characters, two physical appearance is linked to each other. They will not allow for the recombination. For example, in dihybrid cross. What is the dihybrid cross? Two characters crossing with two characteristic feature. That is what crossing with two characteristic feature. So what is the ratio will be getting? 9:3:3:1. 9:3:3:1. But this will be allowing what the recombination will take place. But here in linkage, due to the linkage, the crossing over doesn't take place. So it will not obey the law of segregation. What it is? Law of independent assortment. So linkage doesn't obey. Doesn't obey the, what it is? Law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment. So Bateson and Punnett in 1906, they evidenced such kind of species in sweet pea plant, that is Lathyrus odoratus. In sweet pea plant, they found that the linked gene doesn't allow the recombination, so it doesn't obey the law of independent assortment. So what happens? They have what independent assortment? They can combine with any one of the gene. But because of the linkage, this Lathyrus odoratus never allow the character to do the recombination. That's why that is maintaining a particular type of cross. That is called as repulsion and coupling. Coupling and repulsion. repulsion. What it is said to be? Coupling and repulsion. So this coupling is otherwise called as cis configuration, and the repulsion is said to be trans configuration. Children, up to this clear? Up to this clear? So linkage already we learned. So this linked gene doesn't obey the law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment, it is a fusion of one allele with any one of the allele. So it has the independence capacity or independent freedom. But if it is linked, if it is connected with one character, it never goes alone. While it goes, both the character will be moved toward the next generation, next gamete. So that is called as law of independent assortment. The linked gene never allow the law of independent assortment. Who found this? In which plant they found? This is important. 1 mark. So sweet pea plant Lathyrus odoratus. So Bateson and Punnett in 1906 they found in the sweet pea plant that Lathyrus odoratus scientific name. That is in two way they got the ratio of the species. So in one is coupling, another one is repulsion. So coupling, the ratio will be 7:1:1:7. But expected ratio of 1:1:1:1. But here 1:7:7:1. That expected is 1:1:1:1. Up to this clear, children? So this percentage, that ratio also very important 1 mark question. Coupling and repulsion. Let's learn what is repulsion and what is coupling. Coupling. So what is coupling? Two dominant or recessive alleles of homologous chromosomes are tend to inherit together in single gamete. So this is called as a definition of coupling. Definition of coupling. So if two dominant allele or two recessive alleles of homologous chromosomes are tend to inherit together in a single gamete. In a single gamete. So this is homologous chromosome. If it is a dominant capital A or capital A. So if it is a homologous chromosome, I already informed you what is homologous chromosome. One from father and one from mother. What is one from paternal and another from maternal. So they are what? Similar to each other. If the chromosomes are similar to each other, then it is called as homologous chromosomes. So they are what? If it is dominant or recessive alleles of homologous chromosomes, maximum they tend to inherit together. They cannot separate. They won't separate in different gametes. They tend to inherit in single gamete. So that is called as what? Coupling. So coupling is always called as what? Cis configuration. Children, up to this clear? So next we will learn the repulsion and its definition.